Oh my god, I just flat ironed my synthetic bangs with my flat iron. I never knew this was possible. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Lesley.liliana, obviously, and I welcome you back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button because it's absolutely free and we can get right into it. In today's video, I'm gonna go for a low budget hairstyle. Like, it's so low budget, it's so affordable that you can do anything with it. I'm going from this natural hair of mine, it's natural, yeah, to that. Damn. Get started. I'm just going to use my Philips machine, which I already used in my previous videos. And I'm just going to like blow it out a little bit so I can have this sleek bun, because for this style you're going to need to put all your hair together in a sleek bun, okay? Sure that your bun is up here and not all the way up there, because when you cut your bangs you want to make sure it's covered around your eyebrows, you know, kind of, and not about like on your forehead, like really short. You don't want that, it's not cute. Okay, so I'm just gonna create my bun so I kind of have where I want it. So now the next thing that I'm gonna do, oh, this is so funny, you guys, oh my god, y'all. Okay, so before I just like put my hair in a high ponytail, I'm gonna be using my olive oil with moringa oil for strength gel. Is like gel down, or whatever you want to call it, but it's lying quite flat. I'm just going to take my scarf here and place it on top so it's like extra flat. Now that I've placed my scarf on my head, I'm just going to wait like about 10 to 15 minutes and then apply the hair on top and cut my bangs. So I'll be back in a bit. Okay, so I'm all done. I'm going to take my scarf off. Hi. So I will be using the Expression collection, the Lagos braid. Actually it's braiding hair, you know, but I'm gonna use it today to create my bangs with it. And it's like a Bordeaux reddish type of color, and this one is already stretched, so I bought the one that's already pre-stretched. The price, this one, it's like €4.50, €4 I think, and the ones that aren't stretched out are like $3.50, but it's the same, you know, only this one is already stretched and it saves me time, let's say, and the other one you have to like invest time in it and stretch the end. So like I said, I went ahead and got the T139. That's the Bordeaux one that I'll be doing right now, and then afterwards in the video you will see that I will do the T1B/60. that is like the grayish one with also like an ombre. At the end is quite white and then the beginning is dark gray. I'm going to be using like two of these because when I was using one it was like quite, I didn't feel the volume, you know, so I'm just gonna have two combined together, and I'm just gonna release tie here, you know, and I'm just gonna add this one to this one, so it's like quite thick, you know, and then afterwards take the tie that I removed previously and do it like this, so you have like one big tie. I'm just going to take these and I'm just going to wrap it in around my bun. So it's already wrapped around my bun, perfect. So I'm just going to take the rest and flip it aside, and then I just want to know where I'm going to put it, so I'm just going to measure it up like something like this because I am going to cut it anyways. So now that I know where I want it to be, I'm gonna take my bobby pins and pin it like down. One this side, then the other one crossing. The hair that's already sticking out like this, I'm just gonna try and like flip it around my bun. So it's around my bun, so it's covered. So I'm just gonna take like little pieces, like little bits. I'm just gonna like twist it, you know. So if this is like bothering you, you can definitely like put it aside and then focus on the rest of the hair. Just making sure that my bun is covered. So this is the first twist around my bun. I'm taking my bobby pin, pinning it down so it's secured. I'm just taking the next section. I'm twisting it too. Damn. Now the crucial part is the bangs. So I'm just using my red tail comb and I'm just going to comb it like quite nicely down. I don't want them to be like over my eyelashes. I want them to be like aligned with my eyebrows. Going to like start off with the middle. Make sure you don't cut your eyelashes, okay? In case of anything, just wear false eyelashes. I don't know. Just make sure you don't cut your own real eyelashes because that will be really, really painful. So I'll cut the first one off. It's looking kind of crazy right now, but you'll get there. My flat iron, and it's on a very, very low setting, and I'm just gonna go like one time over, and it gives you like this effect. Now I never knew that you can use a flat iron on a synthetic braiding hair. Never, because I know you can put it in a hot water so you can straighten the ends for your braids, but like to use a flat iron on your synthetic hair, like whoa, this is something else. But it has to be very, very low, you know, otherwise you're gonna melt the hair. It's synthetic, by the way, so yeah. I'm just gonna fix it right now really quick and come back with the finishing result. Look, you guys, I hope you guys like it. Now I don't know if my bangs are like straight, but like I can wear it like this way, you know, like I can do it like this. I can wear it like a different type of styles, but in general I think I completed a look. And this hairstyle was actually inspired by a YouTuber called Micah Jhanea. I don't know if I'm correctly saying your name right, but girl, you rock that hairstyle. So all her information, her YouTube channel will be down in the description box, so definitely check that one out. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because it's absolutely free. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!